In this video, you'll learn how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to Bluehost. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly, so by the end you'll understand not just what to click, but why each step matters. This process is fairly straightforward, but there are a few important rules and codes you need to be aware of, so stay with me and follow along. Before you start the actual transfer, there are two key requirements from ICANN, the organization that oversees domain names worldwide. These rules apply no matter which providers you're using, so they're important to understand. First is what's commonly called the 60-day rule. Your domain has to be at least 60 days old, meaning it was registered more than 60 days ago, and it also must not have been transferred between registrars within the last 60 days. If your domain is brand new, or you've just moved it from another company to Hostinger recently, you'll need to wait until that 60-day window has passed. If you try to start a transfer before then, the process will simply fail, and you'll have to do it again later. The second requirement is about your domain's status. Your domain needs to be active. That means it cannot be expired, suspended, or in a special state called redemption, which is what happens after a domain has been expired for a while. If your domain is expired or in redemption, you'll first need to renew it at Hostinger before you can move it. Once your domain is renewed and clearly marked as active, you're good to continue. Assuming both of those conditions are met, you're ready to start working on the Bluehost side of things. Go ahead and log into your Bluehost account. This will take you to your Bluehost dashboard, which is the main control panel where you manage your hosting, websites, and domains. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section labeled Domains. Click on that to open the domain management area. Within this section, you should see an option that says Transfer. Click on Transfer to start the domain transfer process. This is where Bluehost will guide you through bringing your domain over from Hostinger. You'll now be prompted to enter the domain name you want to transfer. Type it in exactly as it's registered, for example, yourdomain.com, without any extra spaces or characters. Double check the spelling, because even a small typo will cause the check to fail or target the wrong domain. Once it looks correct, continue to the next step. At some point during this transfer flow, Bluehost will ask you for an EPP code, also known as an authorization code. This is a security code generated by your current registrar, which in this case is Hostinger. You should already have copied this code from your Hostinger account before starting, but if you haven't, pause here, go back to Hostinger, and locate the EPP or auth code for your domain in its domain management section. When Bluehost prompts you, paste that EPP or auth code into the field provided. This code confirms you're the legitimate owner and authorizes Bluehost to request the transfer from Hostinger. Make sure you paste it exactly as given, with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Once the code is entered correctly and accepted, you can proceed with the remaining on-screen prompts from Bluehost to finalize the transfer request. After that, the transfer will process in the background, and your domain will move from Hostinger to Bluehost once both sides approve it.